Best beginner motorcycle KTM RC 390. Choosing your first motorcycle is a significant milestone in your life as a rider. For beginners who seek the thrill of sport riding, the KTM RC 390 stands as an enticing choice. In this 1,000-word exploration, we'll uncover the key reasons why the KTM RC 390 is the ultimate beginner sport bike, providing an exhilarating introduction to the world of high-performance two-wheelers. KTM, a legacy of excellence. KTM, short for Kraftfahrzeuge Trunkenpalsmatigofen, is an Austrian motorcycle manufacturer renowned for its off-road and street motorcycles. Founded in 1934, KTM has a legacy of excellence, with numerous victories in off-road racing, motocross, and the Dakar Rally. Their commitment to performance and innovation is evident in every bike they produce. The RC Series, bridging the gap. The KTM RC 390 is part of KTM's RC Series, a lineup of sport-oriented motorcycles designed to bridge the gap between track-focused supersport machines and everyday street bikes. This series aims to provide riders with an authentic sport riding experience while maintaining daily usability. A high-performance single-cylinder engine. At the core of the KTM RC 390 is a potent 373cc single-cylinder engine. This compact yet mighty power plant produces an impressive 44 horsepower, making it an ideal choice for novice riders looking to experience sport bike performance. The single-cylinder configuration simplifies maintenance and tuning, making it suitable for those new to motorcycle mechanics. Race-inspired design. The RC 390 features a race-inspired design that's both visually striking and functional. The aggressive bodywork, twin projector headlights, and sharp lines are reminiscent of KTM's racing heritage. The design not only enhances aerodynamics but also sets the rider's pulse racing with its bold and striking appearance. Lightweight and agile. Weighing just over 320 pounds, approximately 145 kilograms, the KTM RC 390 is a lightweight sport bike. This lightweight design translates into exceptional agility and maneuverability, allowing beginners to confidently navigate through city traffic and twisty roads. Its flickable nature is confidence-inspiring and perfect for honing riding skills. Rider-focused ergonomics. While sport bikes are known for their aggressive riding positions, the RC 390 strikes a balance between sporty and comfortable. The clip-on handlebars and rear set foot pegs provide a mildly aggressive yet manageable riding stance, allowing riders to lean into corners comfortably. This rider-focused ergonomic setup makes it suitable for both short city commutes and spirited weekend rides. Advanced electronics. The KTM RC 390 comes equipped with modern electronics, enhancing safety and performance. It features a ride-by-wire throttle, which provides precise control of power delivery, minimizing the risk of abrupt acceleration. Additionally, a dual-channel ABS system ensures that braking is both powerful and safe, helping new riders build confidence. Perfect for spirited riding. The RC 390's sport-oriented chassis and suspension offer a thrilling riding experience. It excels in corner carving and delivers a sense of connectedness with the road. This makes it ideal for riders who want to explore the joys of spirited riding while building their skills progressively. Durable and easy to maintain. KTM motorcycles are known for their robust build quality and durability. The RC 390 is no exception. It's built to withstand the rigors of daily riding and novice riders' learning curves. Routine maintenance and servicing are straightforward, making it a practical choice for those who want to learn the ins and outs of motorcycle upkeep. Community and rider support. Owning a KTM RC 390 opens the door to a thriving community of KTM enthusiasts. KTM hosts events, group rides, and offers valuable resources for riders to learn and grow in their motorcycling journey. The sense of belonging to the KTM family can be motivating and comforting, especially for new riders. Conclusion: the perfect springboard. The KTM RC 390 is not just a motorcycle, it's a springboard into the world of sport riding. It's an invitation to explore the exhilaration of high-performance machines while ensuring that beginners can ease into the experience. KTM's dedication to performance and innovation is evident in every aspect of the RC 390. As a first motorcycle, the KTM RC 390 offers the perfect blend of performance, agility, and comfort. It's a tool for beginners to develop their skills, build confidence, and embrace the joy of sport riding. With its track-inspired design and spirited performance, it's a sport bike that sets riders on a trajectory towards mastering the art of motorcycling. Choosing your first motorcycle is an important step, and the KTM RC 390 ensures that this journey begins on the right note. With the RC 390, beginners not only experience the thrill of sport riding but also gain a solid foundation for their future adventures in the world of motorcycling.